Big up yourself and subscribe to this channel. Watch, like, and share the videos. Oh, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified. Taxi! Taxi! Yo, brother, you're mad, man. Oh, if you step on the road, them kind of weird.
Oh, no ever see madman walk out in a traffic yet? Him no mad cabby. Him insane.
Cabby, me go to airport. Me hurry. Calm down, Jackie Chan. We will get you there on time, man. Me no Jackie Chan. Me Japanese. Jackie Chan Chinese. So what's the difference? Only look alike to me. Anyway, don't worry yourself, man. We will get you to the airport on time. A lick shot them call me around here. Me no understand what you mean. Oh, them call me lick shot cause my cab move like a speeding bullet. Me like that cause me in hurry. Alright, Jackie, come in and prepare for the ride of your life.
Then cabby really gone with the madman?
Lick shot, you fire blank man, and me in hurry. Jackie, this me, you know. You see if you never in a hurry, me stop and kung fu you. See Honda, very fast, made in Japan. Look, Mitsubishi Go, very fast, made in Japan. Hey, Suzuki! Very fast! Made in Japan! Me going miss flight now. All because of slow poke cab. How much for cab fare? $25,650.75. What? Too much for fare? You rob me. Meter, very fast. Made in Japan.